Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in so the gift value attaches to your account. That prevents loss. Once logged in, navigate to gift cards or begin checkout on the item you want. Enter the gift card code exactly as printed. Case and spaces matter, so the system recognizes it. After you paste or type the code, click Redeem or Apply. You're doing this now to convert the code into usable wallet credit before choosing Final Payment. Once redeemed, the money appears in your Flipkart wallet. You'll see the balance because Flipkart applies wallet credit before other methods. Make sure to select gift card and vouchers during checkout so the platform uses that balance. Otherwise, it may default to card or UPI. If the order exceeds the card, select a secondary payment method to cover the difference. This split is allowed and simple. Keep an eye on the displayed remaining balance, so you finish by reviewing the final price and hitting confirm. After payment, Flipkart sends an order confirmation and updates your wallet balance. If the gift card didn't apply, first recheck the code for typos, confirm it isn't expired, and ensure you're on the same account where you redeemed it. If problems persist, take a screenshot of the error and the code page, then contact Flipkart support with proof. That speeds resolution and protects your value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.